Hello everyone, my name is Anushka from class 30 star. Today I am present here to deliver my topic, and my topic is physics of suffix. Number 1, physics. A word added to the beginning of a word for a new word. For example, number 1, extra bright. Number 2, kilometer. Number 3, joyful. Number 4, done. Thank you. Number 2, suffix. A word added to the end of a base word for a new word. For example, number 1, H. Number 1. Number 1, extra. Number 1, kindness. Number 2, thankful. Number 3, joyful. Number 4, cooking.